Now this is mirror. Okay, for mirror also, on which reference mirror should be. Okay, so we have to choose this part. Which part I have to take? Suppose this part I am taking. Okay, okay, so see, mirroring element, symmetry, one face. Okay, so if you see, see the part. Okay, so this is object to mirror. So on the other hand, the symmetry will be there. This is the mirror. Okay, from this plane, if you choose this plane, then on this side. Okay, so we have chosen this plane, this side, that's why. Okay, if I will choose this plane, then this side. Okay, see, we have to select this first. Okay, then pattern. Okay, so now this is first direction. For first direction, like stances, we have to give 5 numbers. Okay, 1 2, this part we need 5 numbers. Okay, in this direction, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, spacing 20 mm we have given. Okay, and reference element, this side we have given. Okay, so if you see, we need in this direction. Okay, so we'll do reverse. Okay, see. Okay, so this is pattern on first side. Okay, if you see pattern, this is 5 numbers. Second direction we will give instances 1 or 2 number, 3 number. Okay, so this will be also direction we have to choose. So this direction we have to choose. Okay, reverse I'll do. Okay, see this. Okay, so this is how we are doing pattern. So thank you very much, and if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and please press the bell icon to keep continue with my videos. Thank you.